All right, so here we have one last example. What we're given is three vectors, a1, a2, and b, and the question that we're looking to answer is for which values h is b not in span a1, a2. And you'll notice here in vector b, there's a variable h. So basically the strategy to solve this is actually quite similar to what we saw in the first example. We're going to make an augmented matrix out of these three vectors. And down here, we'll just simplify it down. I won't go into too much depth since this is covered in video 1, how to get something into reduced row echelon form. It's very similar to that. We're basically just doing simple row reduction, row reduction strategies like scaling, adding rows together. And what we'll get down here is a matrix not quite in reduced row echelon form, but given the context of this problem, this is all we really need. We're just answering for which values h is b not in span a1, a2. And you'll see as long as we don't have a pivot position in the third row right here, as long as this is a non-zero value, the matrix will be consistent. So basically what we do down here is we make an equation, set 0 equal to this last column, simplify it further, and we'll get a value of h equals 7. So basically, as long as h equals 7, this last position right here will be 0, and the matrix will be consistent, meaning that b will be in span a1, a2. So if it is equal to 7, again, it will be consistent, it will be in the span, and if it is not equal to 7, then b is not in span a1, a2. So yeah, that's pretty much it.